Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to install iOS 26 developer beta on iPhone for free. You don't have to pay, I think, $29 for it, or $99, I'm not quite sure, but this process would be technically for free. So what can we do for this one? First thing you want to do is check what kind of software you have by going to General right there and going on your iPhone storage, software update and about, choose for software update. Now, once you see here, as you can see, it's only iOS 18.5, and there is no such thing as beta updates in here, since I don't have it just yet. So what you can do is open up your Safari, go to developer.apple.com. Once you're in here, click on the three lines or two lines in the upper left section, go to account. Easy as that, just wait for it to load up, and basically click on create your Apple account. What we're doing right now is we're creating a free account for Apple that gives you the latest iOS version, which is iOS 26. Now just fill this one and follow the on-prompt instructions. Once that's done, go back to your settings and let's just say you have successfully installed it. To enable it, go to your settings, go back to software update, and under automatic updates, there should be a beta update saying that iOS 26 is now available on your device. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.